With digitalization, our lives are becoming more connected and more convenient. Due to the development of mobile and the cloud, we can communicate and share information conveniently at any time, anywhere. As a result, a huge amount of data is being created and processed. A data center is a key facility that has been contributing to processing data electronically. And the more data that needs to be processed, the more data centers are required. To safely secure data management, the data center must always be operated reliably and efficiently. A lot of servers are allocated in the data hall, and the building that operates multiple data halls reliably and efficiently is called a data center. All of this equipment collectively generates a lot of heat in the data hall that needs to be removed for the temperature within the data hall to remain within the design specifications of the data center. Wilo's high-efficiency pumps transport water within data centers like a heart, maintaining optimal temperature and humidity levels inside. Servers are very sensitive to temperature and humidity. Despite changes in outside air temperature and heat generation from the server, the temperature and humidity should always be kept constant. The data center is classified into 1 to 4 tiers, and Wilo Data Center Solutions have proven their reliability because Wilo has many references in top-tier ranked data centers like 3 to 4. Through Wilo-Care, it is possible to quickly diagnose and restore all pumps that are in the data center, including HVAC, boosting, firefighting, and drainage pumps. Wilo, 150-year history and expertise, now leads the digital future with the specialized data center.